Hey guys, before we start, I just want to say that this is a strictly... No, I'm saying it wrong. This is a... Hey guys, before we start, this is... say... This is strict... Okay. Hey guys, before we start, I just want to say this is strictly an eye tutorial. I'm not going to be showing my foundation routine, skin routine, or bronzer or anything like that. It's just strictly eyes. And if you haven't figured out what we're using today, it is the Huda Beauty Warm Palette. I've already done a one look for you to keep my videos short. I know my video's been a little bit too long lately, so we're going to keep it short and simple. This is the look that I came up with for you guys. And yeah, very simple, very easy to do. I had a 2-year-old birthday party to go to within the hour, so I wanted to keep it as simple as possible because I don't want to scare no kids. First shade I'm going to use is this right here. That shade went all over my lid. I've already done that, so I set my concealer with it. Next shade I'm going to go in with this one here. I'm going to see if there's names on them. There is no names on them, so no. This is going to be our transition color, so all over the lid, crease, and I bring it pretty high up right in this front area here. That's just the way I do my shadow, so all of my transition color, unless I'm doing a specific look, they go up pretty high. I've done a similar look to this with the Morphe 3502 palette, so if you have that, feel free to use that one. Or the Urban Decay Renaissance one. Not Renaissance, the Urban Decay Heat. If you have that, use that. But any warm palette, basically, so similar colors to this. Okay, so now that that's on there, you see how I bring it up really high. With the same brush, I'm gonna go in with this reddish orange shade there, and this is gonna go in the outer corners and into my crease, but I don't bring it up as high, and I like to round it off here a little bit and then just drag it out. Can you guys hear my son singing? He's singing the Finger Family song. This is a very pretty look too. You can just leave it like this, no eyeliner, put on some cute fluffy lashes, and you're done. I'm gonna go in now with this dark brown color there, and this is a fluffy shader brush. This is Morphe M433, and this color is gonna go right in the corner of our eyes. If you guys want a more dramatic look with this palette, then let me know in the comments below and we'll make that happen. So I am dragging it in, but not all the way in. I stop a third of the way. Okay, I'm gonna take a clean, actually I'm gonna take the same brush that we used, the very first one, for our transition or our all over base color, and just kind of blend everything in. Okay, that looks good there. I'm gonna go in now with a flat shader brush and that gold color right in the center. And this actually falls out like crumbles almost. You can use it wet or dry. I'm going to use it dry because I don't want it too intense. And I'm going to put this in the inner corner of my lid and then fill in that space, but also like softly cutting my lid or crease. This palette is really nice actually. I like that it's everyday, like an everyday palette for me because I love warm colors. And I like that I can go simple or go very dramatic. Colors are very buttery. It blends beautifully. Pretty much done. Now with a pencil brush, and what color did I use? Oh, that red color. I think this red color is what I used. We're gonna blend it right underneath our eyes. Sorry if you guys are seeing my forehead mostly. The camera's up pretty high, but my mirror is pretty tall. I gotta find a better setup. I just blend this, smoke out my bottom lash line, and I like to drag just the center part down to round off my eyes because my eyes are pretty like almond shaped, and I like to round it off instead. Next, with a smaller pencil brush and that darker color that we use for our outer corner, I'm gonna put that and connect the outer corner and drag it about halfway in. There we go. We're done with the eyes. You guys, wasn't that fast? Okay, I'm gonna prep my lashes. The lashes that I'm wearing are these here. They're called Bad and Bougie by my lash plug here in Philly. I'll leave her info down below. I love these. They're like long and fluffy and just so comfortable. Okay, actually before we prep the lashes, I'm gonna do my eyeliner real quick. Any pencil liner, a very creamy one you want to use, go ahead and use that. But I'm gonna basically tight line, but I'm gonna bring the eyeliner to a very slight wing, just like that one there. You don't have to do this step. I think the whole eyeliner, no eyeliner look is beautiful. I never know how people can do their eyeliner with their eyes closed. Let me try. I can't. I need both eyes open. Is that weird? Now we can prep the lashes. I'm gonna put glue, set that aside, put on some mascara, and then put on the lashes. Realize that I'm wearing the same shirt that I probably wore in my last video, or in my last video. I promise you it's been a few weeks since our last video. This is just like my comfy shirt because it's an extra large, I believe, or extra large, and it's just so comfortable and easy to take off because the neck hole is pretty big, so I don't get like makeup on it. I should just invest in a robe, huh? Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I am back with my finished look. The lipstick that I'm wearing is the NYX Lingerie in Push Up. So it just looks like that. And everything else I need to on my face will be listed down below if you're interested in it. But nothing has changed. And yeah, so this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you try it, please tag me on Instagram. My handle and everything else, my vlog channel will be listed down below. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.